Hello, and welcome to Fininvest Niger. My name is Tom Princeville. I'm a certified securities and investment support specialist, and I've been investing in the Nigerian stock market for the past 2 decades. In the course of this particular video presentation, I would like to highlight the fundamental analysis of Skyway Aviation Nigerian Skyway Aviation Handling Company. Skyway Aviation Handling Company is one of the companies in our airports that handle luggages and cargoes for their respective clients. So I want to see precisely whether this particular company is suitable for your portfolio or not. Before then, I would like to talk about my portfolio management service. You want me to optimize your portfolio, to review your portfolio, to rebalance it at when necessary. You could contact me, WhatsApp me on this particular line so we can talk and see how I can make your portfolio more profitable to aim it towards obtaining a higher return on investment. So that's by the way. So we want to look at the company's revenue for the year 2025 as well as 2026. You discover that the company was able to secure and elevated revenue to the tune of 53.62%. There was an increase in revenue, to the tune of about 53.62% from 28.941 billion to 44.459 billion naira. All right, from 28, approximately 29 to 44 billion naira, in revenue. So for the gross profit figure, the company was able to secure or generate an increased gross profit to the tune of 55.56% from 16.377 billion naira in the year 2024 to 25.46 billion naira in the year 2025. Then for the operating profit, the company generated an operating profit of 6.530 billion naira to 14.616 billion naira. All right, amounting to a percentage increase of 123.83%. 123.83%. We move down to the company's profit before tax. The company made a profit before tax of 14.284 billion naira in the full year 2025, as against 6.486 billion naira in the year 2024, amounting to a percentage increase of 120.19%. 120.19%. Then for this other parameter, the entry here is in the profit after tax. So for the profit after tax, the company was able to increase its profit after tax with a tune of 142.66%, 142.66% from 4.834 billion naira to 11.732 billion naira. Then for the total comprehensive income, the company was able to generate a total comprehensive income of 6.891 billion naira in the year 2024 to 11.417 billion naira in the year 2025, amounting to a percentage increase of 65.69%. 65.69%. Then that brings us to the most important entry in our analysis, and that is the earnings per share. The earnings per share determines further share growth, share price growth, and as well as also determine the level of dividend payout. So the company was able to generate an earning per share of 3 naira 57 kobo in the year 2024, as against 8 naira 67 kobo in the year 2025, amounting to a percentage increase of 142.86%. 142.86%. That's quite interesting. Then for the share price, the company, share price grew from 26 naira in the year 2024 to 144 naira 90 kobo in the year, in the current year. Okay, so amounting to a percentage increase of 457.31%. 457.31%. In other words, assuming you invested 26 million naira in this company, that will give you 144, 0.9 million naira, 144.9 million naira out of your investment of 26 million naira. So we are through with this segment of Sky Aviation Handling Company. We are through with this particular segment, that's the profit and loss statement. We now want to also consider the balance sheet as well as the cash flow statements. So Sky Aviation actually has a share outstanding of 100 or rather 1.35 billion. 1.35 billion is the shares outstanding, and then the market capitalization is 196 billion naira. 196 billion naira. You obtain this figure by multiplying the shares outstanding, which is 1.35 billion, by the share price, 144 naira 90 kobo. And that will give you 196 billion naira. Then for the equity here simply means the difference between the total assets of the company and its total liabilities. So when you subtract them, you are going to arrive at 39.86. There should be a B here. All right, 39.86 billion naira. A B is missing here for billion naira. That's the company's equity. So it has a strong balance sheet, a very strong balance sheet. This is the cash balance, or rather the equity or the shareholder fund, of the company. Now for the equity per share, you simply divide the equity by the number of shares outstanding, and that will give you 29 naira, 53 kobo. 29 naira 53 kobo. This is what is called the company's book value. So in this respect now, generally, this figure is significant in the sense that if you're able to get a company whose share price is less than the equity per share, and not only that, if the company has an increasing earnings per share, that company is a good buy, is a cheap buy. You understand? A company where the share price is less than the equity per share or the book value, and at the same time the company is equal, the company's earning per share, the company records an increase in earning per share, that particular stock is a good buy. All right, so for the cash position here, the company has 5.70, this billion as well, this billion naira. So 5.70 billion naira is the cash position of the company. And not only that, we also want to examine the company's price earning ratio, the PE ratio. So you simply divide the company's price by its earnings per share, and that will give you 16.71. All right. The PE ratio for the year 2024 was 7.28. And the PE ratio, the current PE ratio is 16.71. So the company is getting increasingly expensive, though not very expensive, considering the level of performance here. You could note the increment here: increase in revenue, increase in gross profit, increase in operating income, increase in profit before tax, increase in profit after tax, increase in total comprehensive income, increase in earnings per share, as well as increase in share price. So considering this increase all through, this company is a fantastic buy. Okay, you may want to include it in your portfolio if you so desire, and then it could also be a long-term play. All right. So the entire exercise here is for academic purpose, is for entertainment. I am not your financial advisor, except if you contact me here to really seek my service. In that case, I think I can really help out in a greater scope, in a wider spectrum. All right. And so please subscribe to this channel, okay, like this video, and don't forget to share it to members of your community. My heart desire is to be able to reach out to at least 1 million Nigerians, home and abroad, with this message of investments in the Nigerian stock market. You could see, the results here, the benefits here. You invest 26 million and you are getting over 100 million. All right. And so this all what I want to talk about the company. Please, if you're interested, just contact me and then we can work together to see how we can revitalize, you can empower, we can, bring out, pump in life into your, loss-making portfolio. All right. So thank you very much for watching, and also consider other videos in my channel as well.